His body was tragically discovered about a month later. He had a gunshot wound to the head.
Oh, no.
The autopsy couldn't definitively determine if it was self-inflicted or not, and strangely, his backpack was found filled with rocks, his wallet was missing, and he was wearing a jacket that wasn't his.
So many questions. His parents then pursued a wrongful death lawsuit, right? What were their allegations and what was the legal outcome?
Yes. His parents filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the deputy involved, Weber, and the county. They alleged that Weber's threats of a long prison sentence and a specific May 1st deadline he set for Andrew to complete his informant work were the proximate cause of Andrew's death.
So they argued the pressure directly led to his death.
That was the direct accusation, that the pressure and coercive tactics used by law enforcement led to his demise. However, the district court granted summary judgment for the defense.
They threw the case out.
Essentially, yes, before it got to a jury. The court ruled that Weber's assertion about a potential lengthy prison sentence was merely a prediction of future events and not legally considered deceit. And they ruled that the Sadex hadn't offered enough evidence of proximate cause, meaning they couldn't legally directly link the officer's actions to his death. This decision was then upheld by the North Dakota Supreme Court in a 4-1 ruling.
But there was a powerful dissenting opinion that found the evidence more compelling, wasn't there?
Absolutely. Justice Gerald W. Vandewall dissented, and he focused precisely on that issue of proximate cause. He argued that the Sadex had presented sufficient evidence to create a triable issue of facts for a jury.
So he thought a jury should decide.
Yes. In his view, the close proximity in time between the May 1 deadline set by Weber, coupled with Weber's text threatening Sadek with imminent felony charges, and the date Sadek went missing, is sufficient to allow a fact finder to draw a reasonable inference that the defendant's conduct was a proximate cause of his death.
A very different interpretation.
A very different interpretation. His dissent highlighted the subjective nature of interpreting proximate cause and the potential for a jury to connect the dots more directly than the courts did at summary judgment. This case got significant public attention and led to the signing of Andrew's Law in North Dakota in April 2017.
Andrew's Law, what does that do?
It's designed specifically to protect confidential informants by setting stricter guidelines for their recruitment and use. And the documentary, The Dakota Entrapment Tapes, further explores the complexities and the many lingering questions surrounding this tragic case.